just love the bottom of these shoes. It looks like some comic book. My sneaker haul, you can see I love shoes. These are all my shoes and I feel like I need more space. These two together, these are like super duper cute. I can't wait to pair these two. Hey you guys, it's your favorite diva, Dangerusdiva. I'm your favorite by now, right? Yes, I want to hear it. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a mini sneaker haul. It's been a while since I did a sneaker haul. The last time I did do a sneaker haul, I had about a dozen Air Max 97s because it's my favorite shoe, of course. But today, I'm kind of cheating on the Air Max 97s because I picked up a couple shoes, sneakers that is, and they were not Nike Air Max. So I can't wait to reveal these new sneakers to you guys. I think you're gonna like them. And then I'll update you on additional Air Max shoes that I purchased since. Before we get right into that, make sure if this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or many more time visiting my channel, click subscribe. Subscribe to it, David. That would really help me out. And leave me a comment. I always chat with everyone who stops by. All right, we've gotten that out of the way. Let's get right into these shoes. So, my sneaker haul, you can see I love shoes. These are all my shoes and I feel like I need more space. But until then, I'll just have to purge and just like figure out ways to store them. But my sneaker cabinet is kind of at the bottom. Let's see, let's go down. Okay, so the last 4 rows, I think there, are about our sneakers. And the store I purchased these sneakers at was Champs. Shout out to Champs. But yesterday I picked up these 2 pair of shoes. Look at this. They're not Air Max. This one's a Puma and this one is Nike. So let's get into which one. The Nike, the Puma, the Nike, the Puma, the Nike, Puma, Nike, Puma, any, mini, mighty, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, mighty, mo. Aha! The Pumas it is. So, these Pumas, let me bring it in closer. Let me bring you guys back this way. So now, these Pumas, come closer. These Pumas were, oh my goodness. They caught my eye because, let me make sure. Yes, they caught my eye because I picked up a Champion hoodie in Champs, and then I was like, I need the shoes to match, of course, because I'm a diva and I love to coordinate and I love to, you know, have all these beautiful things. So when I picked up the hoodie, I said I need shoes to match. Now look at these shoes, guys and girls. Aren't these hot? These are super duper fab. The colors, turquoise, pink, white, green, it's like a lime green, purple, like all the beautiful spring summer colors in one. So I can't wait to wear these. Super duper comfortable. Now I love to jog, so these are jogging shoes, running shoes, but a diva will not be sprinting in these. If you look at the shoe insole, they have really good running insoles. See that, but yeah, it has a running insole, and when I put these shoes on, I was like, oh, these are so comfortable. I love this shoe. So this one's stuffed with tissue. So let me put this one on so you guys can see how it looks on Diva. I just love this shoe, and I have to show you this, the Champion hoodie that I got that matches. Okay, so I put it on, show you guys. How cute are these shoes? Oh my goodness, I love Air Max 97s, but Puma, you are all right with me. I love them. Now, the hoodie that inspired these shoes is right over here. I initially purchased this because my hubby has a Champion hoodie and a Champion song, and I thought, how cute would it be if we matched? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. You can see the back. It's very wrinkled right now because I had it balled up in my bag, but I love the detail. Look at all these colors. Look, I'm telling you, your girl will be, oh, so cute and matchy. I love this. I can't wait to sport this and show you some hot pictures on Instagram. So make sure you follow Diva's Instagram if you haven't already. So yeah, that was the first pair. And that inspired these beautiful shoes. Don't you just love the bottom of these shoes? It looks like some comic book. Like the colors are just beautiful. I can't wait to rock these and take beautiful pictures for you guys. All right, next shoe. So the next shoe that I purchased was not Nike Air Max. I don't know what this... Okay, I lied. This does say Nike Air Max, but it's a different kind of Nike Air Max than my usual. It says Air 70. I don't know, this weird writing that is on here, but here we go, the big reveal. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I didn't mean to throw that, but oh my goodness, look at this shoe. Guys and girls, this shoe is beautiful. Again, I always go for comfortability. And these shoes delivered. I love the smell of shoes. I love that new smell. They smell so good. Look at these. I love the pink and red. Those two color combos were ideal for me. I love the purple accent. It just goes so well with the shoe. Let me put it on for you guys so you can see how fab it looks. Ta-da! Look at the bottom of these shoes. Oh my goodness. Again, boom. This shoe is just super fab. I love the colors on these shoes. That's what really did it for me. You know, we're like approaching spring, summertime, so all these bright colors are just like right up my alley. So I'm surprised because I did not know these were like Air Max, hence why I picked these up, because I love Air Max shoes, but these are called Air 70 React. If you guys know more about sneakers, let me know, because Diva loves heels. That's what I usually always wear. But now that, you know, I'm a mom and I'm on the soccer field, a baseball field, and football field, I needed some sneakers, so I wear them a lot more. And plus, when you run or exercise, you have to have sneakers. So that's why I have a more of a collection now. So come this way to my collection. Let me scoot you over. Guys, the last time you were here, I went through this pair Air Max, this pair, the burgundy pair, that's 3 pair, the all white pair, that's 4, not the Adidas, the Air Max 95s, so that's 3, 4, 5 pair. I think I went through 5 pair in my last haul, but Diva did pick up a new pair since. These are Air Max 97s. I love these colors, kind of similar to the other bright, colorful Air Max, but a little different. And I love these. I have gone jogging in them. They are a little dusty from the running trail, but I love Air Max 97s. They're super duper comfortable. I usually get a 6 in use. These are 6.5 in use. I guess they didn't have the 6 and I wanted them. I think they were on sale and I grabbed them. But I love these sneakers as well. And yeah, I just wanted to update you on my other sneaker collections. I do have Jordans. These are Air Jordans. I don't know if these are called Jordan 1s. I don't know. I have to ask my husband. Don't ask me. Don't get me to lying. But these I love. They always look super stylish whenever I wear something black, white, or just want to compliment something in a comfortable shoe. Now, these I've never worn and I want to because I have a cute pair of cute booty leggings that will go with these J's. And yeah, I don't know if these are Air Jordans. I don't know if they're called Jordan 1s or what. But yeah, I can't wait to rock these. And then all my Air Max I showed you, of course, classic pair of Adidas in my sneaker collection. And then I have these foam posits. I do like foam posits. These are such a cool color. It's like a gray green, brownish color. I love that. So different. I've worn these a couple times. And these Huaraches are pretty dusty. I've had these for a few years. They're still super cute. I just need to clean them up. I really need to clean these up. But yeah, I love all the sneakers that I have. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pairs of sneakers now. So your diva is adding her sneaker collection pretty well. I really like these 2 new pairs that I'm adding to my collection. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I can fit like another shelf here and put these sneakers in there. But, oh yeah, accessories. I do have a Chanel purse that would probably look good with this. Let me grab it. I will definitely be pairing these 2 together. These are like super duper cute. I can't wait to pair these 2. And I also could pair these Louis shades. See, when you have fashionable items, it's all about how you wear them. Yes, and I will be sporting these sneakers probably with these glasses and with this purse. Maybe not all at once, but I'm sure I'll be sporting these items together. It's all about how you wear stuff. And I think this makes a fabulous statement. And then for this shoe, I don't really have a bag. I don't know. I'll find something.
I like that shoe.
Oh, thank you. Josiah likes mommy's shoe. But yeah, I do have I don't know. I'll find something to rock it with. Let me know what you think about my sneaker collection. What shoes I should add. Yeah, all that good stuff. And then we'll go from there. But thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks for tuning in to your favorite diva. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see another type of video from me, make sure you leave it in the description below. Bye.